Hello guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. I hope all of you are fine and doing great. So this is a performance of Stefan Hauser at the Thunder Resort or a casino. So enjoy. that was amazing and fantastic concert at the Thunder Valley Resort and Casino in California on 31st May. It was super and amazing. Everyone performed amazingly. Amy Manford is such a great singer. She also sings a beautiful and so much amazing song. Caroline Campbell plays such a beautiful violin, and Halford play a fantastic cello. Everyone make it amazing. Drumster, piano player, and other equipment player also do a great job and play their role very perfectly. So guys, today in this video I'm going to talk a little more about a true love and a temporary love. There is two kind of love in our religion. One is temporary love and the other is a true love. So most of people fall in a temporary love. Temporary love means in our language we called it majaji, ishq majaji and ishq hakiki. So mean which is exactly known as, you can also call it as love with humanity and love with creator or God, which is known as a true love and the factual love. So if you fall in love with any human being or anything which is created by God or created by human being, it's called a temporary love because it will not last longer. Doing love with a human being, it means you can love him or her until your life or his or her life. But it will be ended. After that, you will not remember anyone. You will just feel your own pain, your own sin will be your pain. So you will not think about your relationship. Not mother, not sister, not wife, not nothing, nothing at all. But if you have a love, a true love with your God, it always lasts, even though after life. So in my childhood, this also gave me a great life. Doing a true love with God and do not fall in love with people because it is very rare to find a true love in humanity. Most of us, including me, including you, including everyone, they are not perfectly loyal, and you cannot return or you cannot get back your emotions or your love in reply from other human being. But God always give you how much you love Him. Similarly, He will be back more than that in return, and He can do. He is supreme. He is the greatest. So why people fall in love with humanity? We always love your God, the true God, the actual God, and the greatest God. You will not be alone. Make him your part, him as your partner. Everywhere he will be with you. In every situation, call for him. In every pain, call him. He will respond. He will give you relief. And I always get relief in every tough situation, in every pain. and I feel such a greatness, such a great feeling I have. Believe me, guys, the true love with God is always give you justification. I see a lot of tough situation in my life, but I go through them easily because I catch His hand and I know He is a true and He help us in every situation. But still, you cannot say that the tough time will be not back. It will be back. Every life is like up and down. Sometime a good time, sometime bad time, and bad time can be lost. But it will be past if you are true believer, a true lover of God. Do not disobey Him. Do not disobedient. Always follow His rule in every circumstance. It will also develop your personality amazing in world and after world. So that's it. I hope you guys understand. If you do, then hit like button, share, comment, and subscribe. See you soon. Bye bye.